Hey, welcome to Fix It. Today I will show you how to flip a video in CapCut. Let's go. Flipping a video is used when a video is shot upside down and needs to be flipped vertically. Mirroring a video is used when a video file is flipped from the left to the right side in a horizontal reflection. Many people will use the word flipping when they're talking about mirroring a video. First of all, open up the CapCut app. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to start a new project and import a random video from my gallery into the timeline. Once you've imported the video that you want to flip, simply tap on it. Then swipe through these tools at the bottom until you see an option called Edit. Once you find it, tap on it. Then all you have to do next is tap on the Transform button. Now here you will see three options that are Mirror, Crop, and Rotate. You have to tap on Mirror, and it will flip your video. You can also rotate your video by simply clicking on the Rotate button at the bottom center. Thanks for choosing Fix It again. Hopefully I fixed your problem today. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about the video.